Welcome students, class 10th maths, chapter 1st, exercise 1.2, real numbers, question number 5. Check whether 6 की power n can end with the digit 0 for any natural numbers. We have to check that 6 की power n, where n is any natural number, it ends with the digit 0 at any natural number n. Let us start. Students, since we know if any digit which ends at 0, it means that number is completely divisible by 5. You know, any number which have 0 in one's place, then the number is divisible by 5. It's okay. So we can say, we know that any number which have 0 or 5 in one's place is divisible by 5. Okay, you know very well. If 6 की power n end with the digit 0, suppose the 6 की power n end with the 0, then it should be divisible by 5. When we factorize the 6 की power n in terms of prime factors, then we get 2 into 3 की power n. Okay, हमने 6 की power n के फैक्टर की तो 2 into 3 की power क्या आ गया, n आ गया. And if there is 2 and 3 in the prime factor of 6 की power n, it means there is not the prime factor 5. So this is not completely divisible by 5. If this is not divisible by 5, then we can say there is no exist 0 in one's place. Okay students, therefore prime factorization of 6 की power n does not contain 5 as a factor. So hence it is clear that 6 की power n cannot divisible by, sorry, this one is by 5. So 6 की power n never end with digit 0 for any natural number n. स्टूडेंट्स आप समझ गए होंगे इस चीज़ को. अगर किसी भी नंबर्स के जब हमने फैक्टर्स किए हैं तो फैक्टर करने के बाद 2 और 3 आया इसका. जब 2 और 3 है तो इसका मतलब 5 इसका फैक्टर ही नहीं है, तो ये 5 से इसको डिवाइड नहीं कर पाएगा. इफ़ दिस नंबर is not divisible by 5, then it means there is no 0 and 1 in one's place, 0 and 5, sorry, 0 and 5 in one's place. So we can say that 6 की power n cannot never end with digit 0 in the one's place for any natural number n. You can check it by putting the value of n 1 2 3 4 up to so on, and you get finally we have 6 की power n where n is the natural number. So the values of n are 1 2 3 4 5 6 up to so on. When you put the value of n in 6 की power n, then you get 1 by 1. 6 की power 1 is 6, 6 की power 2 is 36, you know 6 into 6 36. Again 6 की power 3 is equal to 216. When you multiply again 6 की power 4, then 6 into 6 into 6, again finally we get 6 in the ones place in all times. So by this you can say 6 की power n for natural number n cannot be end with 0. When you get 6 की power 5, again we get 6 in the ones place. So students, you can say when you put the value of n in 6 की power n, we get always 6 in ones place. So you can say that for any natural number n, 6 की power n cannot never end with digits 0. Okay.